Do you hate exploring a new location only to find yourself running all over town because you didn't plan ahead? I'm going to show you what to do to avoid that next time, coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. My name is Michelle, and every Tuesday I share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. And today is all about wasting time. My first trip to a major city, I wanted to see a bunch of sites, which is great. We want to see lots of things, but I didn't plan very well. So I was running all over town. I would go to that side of town, and then I'd be like, oh, what's next on my list? Oh, that's over here. Let's go over there. And then the next thing, oh, I'm going to go back over here. I ended up all over town because I didn't plan where the sites were. Now, sometimes it's hard to know where stuff is located, but I've got a great tip and a great resource for you to help you overcome that in the future. So you want to use Google Maps. Now, here's why. You can create lists in Google Maps. You can also, if you have an Apple iPhone, you can also use their mapping feature, and you can build a list of where items are ahead of time. So you can look up everything on your computer. You can make a list of your places and label them as to where they are. Then when you're planning out your days, you can look at that map and decide, do you want to go over here? Do you want to go over there? And you can see all the sites in that given location without wasting time running back and forth. Plus, you're less likely to miss anything that you would have maybe stumbled across or forgotten about. We always have the major sites, and then we always have those secondary sites, and then the things that, if there's time, we'd like to see. When you plan out your visit into areas of a city and you see that location before you move on to another, you're more likely to see everything in that location and really experience it and enjoy it. And you'll make the most of your limited time on vacation, because that's what it's all about. We want to experience as much as we possibly can in the time that we're given, and we don't want to miss a thing. If you found today's tip helpful, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. I love the feedback. I'd love to know your questions, where you get caught up when you're planning your travel, and I'll come up with a travel tip for you. Go ahead and put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, because every Tuesday I come out with a new travel tip and you don't want to miss a thing. Don't forget to check out all of my other videos on my channel, because they explore destinations around the world. Thank you again for watching Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.